Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from Brain League Learning. In this video, we will understand half-life using formulas and examples. First, let us write the two key formulas. The number of half-lives is total time divided by the half-life period. The amount remaining is initial amount times 1/2 to the power n. Here is an intuitive picture. Every half-life, the amount becomes half. Watch the bar shrink by half each step. Example 1. A radioactive isotope has a half-life of 10 years. If we start with 80 grams, how much remains after 30 years? First, compute n, the number of half-lives. Then compute the amount using the formula. Here is a timeline view. Every 10 years, the amount halves. 80, 40, 20, 10. Example 2. A sample of 100 milligrams decays to 25 milligrams in 12 hours. What is the half-life? First, count how many times it halved. Then divide the total time by that number. Example 3. What fraction remains after 5 half-lives? The fraction is 1/2 to the power 5, which is 1/32. Let us summarize. Half-life is constant, and each half-life cuts the amount in half. Use the two formulas, and the problems become simple and systematic.